Yeah. So I went to put it on. So when I decided what I wanted, I went to bed.
What?
When I heard the door ring,
Okay, go.
when I hear the door ring, I was like so confused. What? Like, whoa, what? It can't be ringing. It's already so late. It's like already 5, 6. I can't count. So I just want to investigate what was the door. Then when I investigated, it was my parents. When I was about to open the door, I hear the text from my from my tablet. So when I was about to get it, I was gonna get it now. So when I checked my tablet, no, it's okay. So when I checked my tablet, it said, "Dear Hun, I'm about to go home. Make sure to be safe." Then I was so surprised and dropped my tablet into the bed. When I saw the door, it was not Mom and Dad. When I was so shocked, I run to the bathroom with my surprised face. Then I realized why the monsters were totally here. In a few days, I keep scrolling and scrolling to my tablet. Then when I saw a video that it's called Bloody Mary on the title, I really want to try it out. So I'll get my buckle up, put my tablet down, and decided to do the Bloody Mary. When I decided to say it, then I remember what did the video said. It said, say Bloody Mary. It said go to the bathroom, turn off the light, and put a candle there and say Bloody Mary 3 times. And I tried it. Really tried it. I really tried it. And I almost forgot to do something. Before I said Bloody Mary 3 times, I looked at the mirror because that's the part that you have to do. So that's why I never want to do Bloody Mary again. Then, when I realized I heard something, it wasn't a good idea to do the Bloody Mary. I never want to try it ever again. Because when I look behind, really when I run right to my face,